You're about to meet a creative lady who proves it's possible to do renos without breaking the bank.
Rebekah Higgs is known as the DIY mom, and as CTV's Jonathan McInnes explains, her latest project breathes new life into an old Boler.
And I'm calling it the strawberry shortcake because of its pink and cream color.
That color theme continues on the inside. The table settings are finished off with crystal glasses and candles.
Something happens to me when I get a little bit of rest. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at my little camper.
That's when the idea of fixing up this 1973 Boler came to DIY expert Rebekah Higgs.
I was able to get this shipped from Quebec to Nova Scotia, start working on it right away. And as you can see, I'm probably about 75% finished my renovation on it, but it's definitely to the point where we can take it camping and enjoy it this summer.
The reno was significant, but Higgs was up to the challenge. Everything from cupboards to cushions were replaced. Even the fiberglass shell needed work.
I kind of think of myself as a hack of all trades.
The nearly finished product is pretty satisfying. Higgs thinks everyone should try a DIY project of their own.
I always love to encourage people just to pick up a power tool and give it a try, to take a piece of paper and a pencil and start drawing out their ideas, or even just start something not knowing necessarily where it's going to go.
Before her DIY days, Higgs had been traveling throughout her 20s as a musician, but after her daughter was born, she decided a return home was the best move.
As a young mother, I just felt like I needed to do something a little bit more stable with my life and plant my roots back in Halifax. I took my love of design and decorating and brought it together for what I dubbed DIY Mom.
The results of the trailer reno is proof that that was a good decision. You'll be able to see Rebekah's full transformation of the Boler later this year on the upcoming season of her TV show DIY Mom. Jonathan McInnes, CTV News, Halifax.